Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today we have a new video with Debbie, and Debbie has already started her Christmas season, and that is why she is creating this Christmas elf for us today. Well, if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching. As this makeup is partially a beauty makeup and partially a face paint, Debbie is starting out with just a regular red eyeshadow to create her red eye makeup for today. So she is putting the eyeshadow on her face with a very soft brush, and as you can see, by dabbing over that eyelid over and over again, you get a lovely blend of that red color. Once the eyes are nice and red, we continue to the shadows of this makeup, and first up is the area just under the cheekbone. Debbie is using the same eyeshadow powder as used on the eyes, and as you can see, if you blend it enough, you get a lovely transition from the eyeshadow to the skin. A bit more on the edge of that shadow to really intensify it. And once there is a little bit of red face paint by Superstar over there, we continue to black. This is an eyeshadow powder as well, and that really sharpens that line to refine those cheekbones. Now the base is on there. We do want a snowy effect for our Christmas elf, and that is why Debbie is splattering white face paint by Superstar over her skin. So just use a dry brush with the face paint on there and splatter it by stroking your finger over the bristles of that brush, and that gives a lovely splatter effect. Because our elf is Christmas themed, we also want some white eyebrows. So as you can see, Debbie colored them with white on her skin and created an outline, and the outline is done with black, and the black used is by Diamond FX. Onto the eyes, to create a bit bigger eyes, Debbie is making a white shape under her eyes, and if you give that a lovely black outline, you get those very big elf-like eyes. The same eyeshadow powder as used on the eyes and the shadows on the face we are using on the nose as well, because if we are very cold, we of course get that red nose, and well, it just looks very cute for an elf. And instead of splattering the white on the nose, Debbie just put some dots on there. For the lips, we are using a face paint by Superstar. This is the red number 035, and as you can see, just by smearing it on there just a little bit, you get that lovely pink red color on there. For the neck, we are creating lines, so there are a few white lines as you can see, and with the same red by Superstar, there are a few more lines to really get that Christmas idea in this makeup. There is also some green used. This is a bright green, also by Superstar. And once all the lines are on the skin, you do want to outline them with black. So just get a detail brush and the black by Diamond FX, and just take your time to really outline all of those lines you just put on there. And with a lovely wig, some elf ears and a few flowers, our Christmas elf makeup for today is done. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.